We can do it drunk. You can do it sober.
I realize this is all gravel.
You know, let's look for a beaver sighting. Oh, there's no beaver sighting. Why did you roll your window up?
Okay.
Right. You know, I don't know.
Okay. You care if we get wet?
What do you mean by wet?
You want to call somebody to help us?
What, like a game show?
Nope.
You fucker, you did that on purpose. Now she's wet. Look what you did. Look what you did. Oh. You're a bad man. Oh. Wait, there's some in the back. Oh. There's a lot in the back. Oh. Oh. Because that's fucking steep.
It is, and that's why I didn't want to make that cut.
Yeah.
Coming up's one thing.
Yeah.
Going down is another.
Oh.
I think there's a rock there.
Oh, there is definitely a rock. Oh. And down we go. Oh, easy now. Yeah, nice and slow. Oh. You're at more than a 45-degree angle. Oh. What do you think, boss? That's pretty crazy.
Give me that. You know what? I let that clutch out and the engine took over.
Yeah.
The computer took over.
Yeah.
Just like now. The computer took over.
Yeah. I get it. It climbed this very hill.
Yeah.
On its own.
All right.
Can it descend it? Whoa.
Sure can.
Oh.
Sure can.
Oh. Oh shit. Oh. Whoa. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but this thing just teetered onto, and I tell you right now, made my stomach queasy. Oh, 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 dude, yeah. Oh, that's new. Oh, just relax for a second. Yeah, shut it off. Oh, that's good for you. Yeah.
I saw that rock sitting there. And you know what, if I swing over, I can put that front wheel against that rock, let her drop, fucking bring her up, and see if that wheel comes up. If it does, I'm still against that rock. Cut her hard the other way and give her a little.
Oh, she teetered right up on two.
Oh, dude, she did.
Oh,
she
yeah.
fucking rocked, didn't it?
Yeah.
It did. It rocked.
To be continued.
It rocked.
All right.
All right, here we go.
I'm just trying to show the perspective of the jungle-like environment. I mean, look at this shit. The ferns are 3 feet tall.
Yeah.
You can't even tell that it's trail. Look at it. I mean, that's greenery right there.
Yeah, oh, big time.
Somebody's doing a good job.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah. Right now, the automatic water's on. It's been on.
Left it on again.
Somebody left it on because it's been on for a week.
What are we coming into here?
Stick.
Oh. Yeah, we're coming into swamp.
Holy shit. No, whoa, 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 whoa. Don't drive into that.
No.
Oh, that's interesting.
Don't drive into it. I want to see where we're going on the other side of it.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, let's walk.
Yeah.
Let's walk.
Okay. Let's walk.
Oh.
I don't want to get wet in the Jeep.
Is this what Greg was talking about when he said we're going to get stuck? Oh, you ain't going to get... Oh, I don't know. Nobody's gone through here, but...
For years.
Yeah, it doesn't look like.
No, it don't. No.
But it's not rutted out.
No, it's not.
I mean, Jesus, stop running. There's no blue rib. There's no ribbon at the end.
No. Dude, this is...
whoa. Look at that.
Over here.
Holy shit, look at the size of that rock.
Yeah, I think we can go right around it.
Yeah, I think so. Wow, look at this.
Yeah.
You're all set though, right?
I think so.
I don't know.
I think so.
That's mucky over there.
I mean, as long as it's tight in the tree line.
I mean,
You know, I can climb over that rock, no problem.
wow, it's a serious bog though.
Yeah, it is.
But then it goes up right there. That's the end of it.
Where's our closest hookup?
Wow, shit, everywhere.
Yeah, there is over here.
Everywhere. You get
Yep.
got 100 feet of rope.
Yeah, that's right.
I say we get another 100 feet for the Allagash.
Yeah.
Right?
Right, oh yeah.
Yeah, because we need cordage.
Yeah.
And we need to know what kind of knots.
We need another 30-foot strap.
Well, I need to know what kind of knots are going to pull your Jeep and what ones won't.
Right. Well, what's the weight on that rope that you bought me?
800 pounds.
800 pounds, yeah.
Maybe. I think so.
Braid it like paracord, you know?
Oh, there she sits. Pouring rain.
Yeah.
Not pouring rain.
I think I want to turn around.
Yeah.
And we'll try this another day.
Yeah.
Like a nice day. I'll bring my weed whacker.
You do that. But it better be eco-friendly.
Oh, it is.
Oh, yeah. All right. Here we go. Now look.
Down at the bottom, we might want to close our window. Let's see how far we go.
Okay.
All right.
Here we go. We're going backwards.
Thank you for the...
Down the happy town. Oh my fucking word.
All right.
This is, it's rough.
I know.
We'll
go first.
Oh.
Be a little slower.
Oh my God. All right. Yeah, twist. This is nothing compared to that half a mile. You say quarter, I say half. Because I got to exaggerate. No.
I won't go with that.
No, that's... Say what you want. We still have to go through it.
That's right.
Because, you know...
Some of the worst rock crawling is right through here, actually.
Oh. I don't know.
Oh, it is.
This
so
whole
steep.
This whole trail.
Oh yeah, this is a Black Diamond Trail.
Yeah, it's happy town.
Yep.
You want to take this? Yeah.
Couple beard.
Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna say.
But I'm not anything extraordinary. This Jeep is not.
You need
no,
but you need 3 inches of lift.
Yeah, you do.
If you don't have 3 inches of lift, I'm telling you right now. Oh. This is okay, here we go. It's almost like we pulled into somebody's driveway.
Until you get to the end.
Oh.
And it's this one.
Oh, now. Okay, we can see the road. Oh. that's a silt puddle. Oh.
Do we need to back up?
No, don't back. All right, you're the king of the hill. No shit. Oh. She didn't even have any trouble. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Almost got stuck. See all this right here on the mirror, and yeah, that was the first time we went. Don't you drive back in there.
I am not. I'm waiting for the people to go by.
Okay. No, that's a deep hole. Oh.
It is a deep hole.
Yeah, and there's
that
nothing.
is.
Okay. Hey,
right,
hey, cheers. If we can do it drunk, you can do it sober.